They say missing a train by 1 minute is nothing. But no one tells you that 1 minute can change your entire life. Charlie was not careless. He was just always late. Late to decisions, late to effort, late to life. That night, Charlie had a ticket. A one-way ticket to a new city, a new job, a new life. The train was scheduled for 10 p.m. It was 9:40. Charlie smiled. Plenty of time. A phone buzzed. A message arrived. Just 1 minute, he thought. Time didn't care about his confidence. It kept moving, silently. Last call for train 417. The words hit him hard. Charlie ran. Not because he was late, but because he finally understood. He reached the gate. The doors were closing. 1 minute. Just 1 minute late. The train moved. Slowly, quietly, taking his future with it. No anger, no noise, only regret burning silently. That night, Charlie imagined another version of himself, the one who boarded the train. Years passed. The Charlie changed into someone full of what-ifs. The train didn't leave early. Life didn't betray him. He just arrived late, again. Right now, a train is waiting in your life. A chance, a decision, a dream. Don't miss it by 1 minute. If this story touched you, don't scroll away. Like the video. Share it with someone who always says later. Subscribe, because the next train won't wait forever.